Hey guys, my name is Steve and I am a realtor out here in the San Gabriel, Los Angeles area, and I work with Suarez Realty Group. And today I just wanted to talk about getting ready to sell your home. So if you're thinking about selling your home, then this is a video you're going to want to watch. At the end, you can find out how you can get a free printable on my website to kind of help you. It's like a checklist and stuff. So anyhow, grab a cup of coffee or whatever you're thinking about drinking and let's get started. Hey guys, so like I said, welcome back. If you're thinking about selling your house, then this is going to be a video that hopefully will be able to help you guys out. I do have a website at Steve Sells SoCal, and on that website you could actually find a printable checklist to kind of help you out as far as like getting ready to sell your home, or if you're thinking about buying a house. So I wasn't going to wait to the end of the video to let you know, so that way you could just, I'm sure you got plenty of other things you want to do than watch me on this video. So anyhow, go check out my website at Steve Sells SoCal. There you can find a printable PDF form which will have a checklist to sell or to buy a home. So anyhow, just a really brief view as to what you'll find on that website as far as the checklist goes. So some of the things that I like to advise my clients when they are going to sell a home is first impressions mean everything, right? And that goes for anything in life. So as you get clients coming into your home or potential buyers, they're going to be looking to see how the house looks from the curb appeal all the way to the inside of the home. So personally, what I like to advise is clean up. Right? The outside, you're going to want to start kind of cleaning it up, getting the weeds out, maybe watering the grass, get a little bit greener, maybe plant a couple of flowers here and there, just kind of make it a little bit more presentable. And then the inside, we want to get clutter free. So that's a big thing. If there's anything you can do, is just get rid of all the clutter. So, and then once we get rid of the clutter, I also recommend maybe painting, touching up, not so much redoing the house in the sense of remodeling, because at this point, if you're thinking about selling, I would just maybe hold on to that cash and just kind of do a little bit of renovating as far as paint, fixing, leaky faucets, going around and maybe fixing up broken tile, simple things that's not going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars, and you're not going to really get a return on that investment. So that's kind of the first things that I want to say as far as that goes. So what you can also find on that free printable checklist is, and I'm just going to show you, I have it right here in front of me, so you can go and print it out. So I also have like a 15-minute pre-showing checklist, and it kind of gives you an idea, so you can kind of check it off as you go around to get ready for the showing. Check your bedrooms, living rooms, and dining areas. Open up the curtains, maybe turn on the lights, make the beds, things of that nature. The bathrooms, you want to make sure everything's kind of freed up, flush the toilets, hang some towels, empty out the trash cans. Just make it like a model home, basically, as close as you can to that, So the kitchen, again, I would say, make sure the trash is out, swept up, have dishes washed, put away. So like I said, the main thing for me that I like to say is clutter free. Just put all your stuff away, things of value, put it away, things that you don't want other people to see, pictures, maybe antiques or whatever you have in your home. Just put all that stuff away. Just when you're in the process of selling a home, just expect a call from an agent at any point and any time throughout the day, and they're going to want to bring by a client. So obviously you're representing your agent that's representing you is going to give you hopefully plenty of time to get ready, but just in case, that's why I say just always be ready, as if something is going to happen that day. Okay? And then also on this printable checklist that I keep showing and talking about, on there you're going to also find the home selling process. So it'll walk you kind of through. Obviously there's a lot of variables, so things can happen and stuff, but it will help you kind of give an idea as to what to expect. you know. Maybe some things you want to ask your agent that's representing you. But there's a lot of variables in it, but it's just kind of a basic checklist. Kind of gives you an idea of what to expect. It goes through like home inspection process, what to expect with that. Before you put your home on the market, and I think I kind of touched that on the beginning. So, and then kind of like showing your home. So it's something I put together. I think it's very helpful. So feel free, like I said, visit my website at Steve Sells SoCal, and on there you can find the printable checklist for either buying or selling a home. If you guys want, reach out to me. My information's somewhere in my description, somewhere around here. Reach out. I'd love to. If you like, I could email it to you as well. And then I'm trying to start a newsletter as well too, so you could always sign up for that too. And I'll send something like maybe every month or every quarter. I'll send a newsletter, see what's going on in the market and so on and so forth. So anyhow, hopefully this video finds you, and if it does, hopefully it helps you out in whatever way you need help with. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. And if there's any realtors out there or anybody that's looking to move to California to relocate, and you're looking in the San Gabriel, Southern California area, feel free to give me a call. My team and I can help you guys out. Again, this is Steve from Suarez Realty Group, and yeah, have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.